everyone, I am Shubhram and welcome back to my channel whose name is Anyone Can Be Creative. Here I bring to you some videos related to origami, craft and puzzle solving. Today today my video is on how to make a origami paper box. So without wasting further time, let's start my video. At first, we have to fold this paper sheet into half, like this. After folding, again fold this rectangular after folding it will become a rectangular sheet. Now fold this rectangular sheet again into half. Now open the sheet. As you all can see, there will be three folds on this paper. Along the two folds, along this fold and this fold, fold this paper like this, as I show you. After folding, the paper will be a rectangular one. Now, this side, this and this are the four corners of this paper. Take one of the corners and fold it into half. As I show you, take a corner and fold it into half. Again take a corner and I have taken this corner. Now I will take this corner to fold. I have folded it. Now you will see that the base of the first folded corner and base of the second folded corner lie on the same line. So fold the paper along the line. Similarly, do the same thing on the other side as well. Fold one paper, another paper, and then fold the side. After doing these steps, the paper will look like this. Now you will see that base of this paper and base of this fold and base of this fold lie on the same line. So fold them. After folding, open the fold and keep the fold at 90 degrees. Similarly, fold this side as well and open the fold at 90 degrees. Now you will see that the paper will look like this. Now this will be the two sides of our paper box. Now take this fold and open it. Again, see, you will not be able to open like this. You have to bring it 90 degrees and open this fold. And similarly open this one as well. And at this corners, fold them. Now similarly, open this fold and paste them. Similarly this one as well. After opening these folds, you will see the sheet has taken the shape of a box. It is ready. If you do not have a place to put your pens and pencils, this paper box can be very useful. It can be used to place some pens and pencils like this. If you like my video, please please click the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon on the subscribe bar to never miss another update.